Welcome, legal professionals. Understanding case briefing is essential for success. Let's get into legal case briefs, including their purpose, length, and crafting strategies, to master the art of practical legal analysis and comprehension. First, let's explore a case brief and why it's indispensable for law students and legal professionals. A case brief summarizes a court's opinion, highlighting the facts, legal issues, procedural history, and the decision. Addressing the core question: how long should a case brief be? Ideally, it spans 1 page. This length ensures it covers essential details: facts, procedural history, issues, decisions, and reasoning, without unnecessary bulk. The goal is a concise yet comprehensive tool for students and legal professionals. Crafting an impactful case brief requires more than just summarizing a case. It's about analyzing the decision, identifying the core legal principles, and presenting them clearly and organized. Ask questions and use headers and bullet points to make the brief informative and easy to navigate. A brief should include the case name, relevant facts, procedural history, legal issues, rule of law, court's holding, and final disposition. Understanding each element ensures that you're effectively capturing the essence of the case. Seeking for brevity and clarity is the hallmark of an excellent case brief. Focus on the most critical aspects, use plain language, and organize your points logically. This approach not only aids in comprehension, but also makes your brief a valuable study and reference tool. Remember, the best briefs are easy to understand and use. In conclusion, mastering the art of case briefing is a skill that requires practice and a deep understanding of legal principles. By adhering to the strategies discussed today, you can create effective and concise briefs that are powerful in your legal toolkit. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more successful insights into the legal profession.